So I'm riding around on my side of town. You can bring your friends and we can ride around. Got a house about a mile out. We can escape the world, no signs of doubt. Inception, I'm dreaming about that dress on you. It's the best on you, no reception. I'm beaming about this road ahead. It's the best for two, so maybe you can stick around. I'll show you things you've never seen. All these lonely wanderers, they can't see the coast. I'll let it be. Got a long road ahead of me. Oh yes, I'm saying that. I'm looking for the right path. Ain't nothing displaying that. I once met this cool girl. She showed me a cool world, and if I had to guess, I bet she lived it when it was crueler. Rolling in my E30, got the seat back and my bass hit way down low. I got that fire burning, you can see that from way back in the last row. I'm way too goddamn loyal to inflict the pain that was done to me. Explain to me how you been to hell if all I see is pure beauty. You throwing around your hands like blaring in your eyelids. I know that you been smiling, we both young and we wildin'. So let me show a newcomer that I got the gonads. I'll waste away the hatred and we'll hit the road. No Jack, I know that you wanna leave. We'll take it back to that old school. I toss it up and you'll throw it back, and that's when I'll show you. I'm on the road to the riches and the money and the fame, and out to shows for every single person screaming my name. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. I'm on the road to the riches and the money and the fame, and out to shows for every single person screaming my name. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. I'm looking up at the stars, gazing out at the moon. Fireworks in the sky, I'll be there soon, cause I'm taking off this lift off. Popping tags like thrift shop, innovating the rap game, and I'm changing up hip hop. Dre wanna know the difference. 2 Chainz, he's different. Run like Russell Simmons, I know I can go the distance. If you with it, then I'm with it. If you want it, you can get it. Know I'm about my butter like a biscuit and some chicken, and I make it happen like magic, but I'm ballin' like I'm Kobe. Cali's for the Lakers, beach weather and the OG. My life is on that good. Share the loan with your eyes, cause when you finally make it, man, you're always this high. Give them the gift of life, man, you will never cut my ribbons. I got bigger, better dreams. Martin Luther had these visions. I was born for this, I'm sworn to this. In my heart, if it died, I would mourn for this. I'm on to it, I'm close, and I can tell I'm getting near. Toast to my team, niggas of the year. So cheers, celebrate, drink up, medicate. No, we gon' elevate, cause we done seen better days. I'm blind to the fact and wonder like I'm Stevie if things are gonna ride or pop off like a wheelie. Rolling on the road, I hope it leads to success. Only riding with my team, motherfuck the rest. Yes. I'm on the road to the riches and the money and the fame, and out to shows for every single person screaming my name. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. I'm on the road to the riches and the money and the fame, and out to shows for every single person screaming my name. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me.
Cause I got 2 cups of lean, dog. I'm up and down like seesaws, dozing off. What the fuck? I thought this was sativa. Hey, faded, can't see us. Holy smoke, Jesus, we do it for the chica. Mamacitas with the deep bloods. Lamborghini, not yet, but I'll bank your girl like drum steps. I'm in the trap, no dubstep. Getting high, spud web, purple leaves, buying seeds from overseas. I'm growing out in my backyard. My backyard is Blue Dream, that Amazon. Stagger on, don't give a shit if that camera's on. It's taking hits like a champion. Storing weed, carry-ons. Hey, too high, I'm a pilot, bitch. FBI got a file on this, a wanted man. Smoking gas, running up my mileage, bitch. I'm hotter than your piso. Classy nigga Pico, no free throws. I'm deep rose, I keep my mind on beast mode. My family up, that's G-code. I breathe slow and keep hope. In the end, they know it's fake. Fuck, they say we on our way. Hey.
I'm on the road to the riches and the money and the fame, and out to shows for every single person screaming my name. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. I'm on the road to the riches and the money and the fame, and out to shows for every single person screaming my name. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. So go and put your hands up, congratulations to me. Yup.